I think it has been always. It's of course has to do with the founder of the office. Mikael Christensen was from Henning Larsen and did educational building there. And then we also, I think, the conversation around educational buildings is interesting because as an architect, there's some qualities within it, spatially, architecturally, there's some qualities that you have. Maybe you have a difference in program, different sizes of projects. And then you have this thing that I talked about before, that you always have the connection with the end user. So it's a very rewarding thing to work with. And also, I think the baseline is that you are doing something for the society that you are in. You are making a frame for something that is also for the future. And that's why I called the lecture Trying to Do Common Good, because it's all about something that we are all sharing and part of together. And education is that, I think.